What if I told you that the key to better health and a transformed life is just a few sips away? Imagine adding just 5 simple ingredients to your daily cup of tea or coffee and witnessing the magic as it helps to eradicate diseases from your body. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. In this eye-opening video, we're diving deep into the world of holistic health and natural remedies. We'll reveal the 5 secret ingredients that, when added to your tea or coffee, have the power to revolutionize your health and well-being. But that's not all. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what these ingredients are, but also understand how they work their magic within your body. From boosting your immune system to detoxifying your organs, these ingredients offer a myriad of benefits that can completely transform your daily life. Picture this: waking up each morning feeling refreshed and energized, knowing that your morning beverage is not only satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your body from the inside out. Say goodbye to those sluggish mornings and hello to newfound vitality that propels you through your day with ease. As you incorporate these simple additions into your daily routine, you'll begin to notice a shift in your overall health. From improved digestion to clearer skin, the benefits of these ingredients extend far beyond just your morning ritual. And the best part? These ingredients are readily available and affordable, making it easy for anyone to incorporate them into their daily routine. No expensive supplements or complicated rituals are required. Just a simple tweak to your morning beverage that can have profound effects on your health and well-being. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and transform your life from the inside out, then be sure to watch this video until the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the life-changing rewards that await you. It's time to say goodbye to disease and hello to a healthier, happier you. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, we often overlook the simple treasures bestowed upon us by nature. The sacred elixir, revered for centuries, possesses remarkable healing properties when approached with reverence and understanding. As the great Buddha once proclaimed, "In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks." As we embark on this journey, guided by the wisdom of Buddha and Zen philosophy, we are reminded of the profound connection between nature and well-being. The healing power of ginger root. Ginger root has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries, deeply rooted in various cultural and traditional medicine practices. In the teachings of Buddha and Zen philosophy, balance and harmony are central tenets for well-being, and ginger, with its warming properties, is considered a key component in achieving internal equilibrium. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, ginger is hailed as a potent remedy celebrated for its digestive prowess. It is often referred to as a universal medicine due to its multifaceted health benefits. Ayurvedic practitioners commonly recommend ginger to aid digestion, alleviate digestive discomfort such as indigestion and nausea, and promote overall wellness. Ginger's ability to stimulate digestion is attributed to its capacity to enhance the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown of food and improving nutrient absorption. This makes it particularly useful for easing symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. Moreover, ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to its bioactive compound, gingerol. These anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, rheumatism, and muscle soreness, supporting overall joint health and mobility. Beyond its digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits, ginger offers a range of additional health advantages. It is a popular remedy for nausea, including morning sickness during pregnancy and motion sickness during travel, due to its soothing effects on the stomach and gastrointestinal tract. Furthermore, ginger's antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress in the body, thereby bolstering the immune system and reducing the risk of various diseases. Its cardiovascular benefits, such as lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation, may contribute to heart health and reduce the likelihood of heart disease and stroke. In respiratory health, ginger's warming properties can provide relief from coughs, colds, and congestion by clearing phlegm from the lungs and soothing respiratory discomfort. Culinarily, ginger adds a distinctive flavor and aroma to a wide array of dishes, from savory stir-fries to sweet desserts and beverages, making it a versatile and flavorful addition to any cuisine. Overall, Ginger root stands as a potent and versatile herb with myriad health benefits, offering support for digestion, inflammation, immune function, cardiovascular health, respiratory wellness, and culinary enjoyment. Its integration into daily routines can contribute to enhanced overall well-being and vitality. The aromatic essence of cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark, with its rich aroma and therapeutic properties, serves as an embodiment of these principles. When incorporated into our daily rituals, such as enjoying it in tea, cinnamon encourages us to practice moderation and mindfulness in our consumption choices. From a health perspective, cinnamon offers a range of benefits that align with the principles of balance and moderation. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are particularly noteworthy. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are underlying factors in the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. By embracing cinnamon in our tea, we not only enjoy its delightful aroma and flavor, but also cultivate a sense of balance and moderation in our dietary habits. This mindful approach to consumption fosters holistic health and well-being, aligning with the teachings of Buddha and Zen philosophy. Moreover, cinnamon's impact on blood sugar levels further exemplifies its role in promoting inner harmony and balance. Research suggests that cinnamon may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or seeking to stabilize their energy levels throughout the day. This harmonizing effect on blood sugar levels resonates with the concept of maintaining equilibrium in all aspects of life. Additionally, cinnamon's antimicrobial properties contribute to its role in supporting oral health and combating bacterial infections. This aspect of cinnamon aligns with the holistic approach to well-being advocated in Buddhist and Zen philosophies, where physical health is viewed as interconnected with mental and spiritual health. In essence, by harnessing the aromatic essence of cinnamon and integrating it into our daily rituals mindfully, we honor the principles of moderation and mindfulness advocated by Buddha and Zen philosophy. Cinnamon serves as a prized treasure laden with not only antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, but also profound lessons in living a balanced and harmonious life. The subtle allure of cardamom pods. Cardamom pods, with their subtle yet complex flavor profile, perfectly embody the Zen principle of simplicity. Despite their small size, cardamom pods offer a wealth of aroma and taste that can be appreciated with mindful awareness. By incorporating cardamom into our tea, we embrace simplicity in our approach to health and wellness, finding contentment in the subtle pleasures of life. Beyond their role in enhancing flavor, cardamom pods are renowned for their digestive benefits. They contain compounds that help soothe the digestive system, alleviate gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and gas, and promote overall digestive health. This aligns with the Zen philosophy of nurturing the body and mind through simple natural means. Furthermore, cardamom pods are prized for their antioxidant properties, which may help protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In the context of Zen philosophy, this underscores the importance of caring for our well-being in a holistic manner, recognizing the interconnectedness of physical, mental, and spiritual health. Embracing the subtle allure of cardamom in our tea not only enhances our sensory experience but also promotes a sense of ease and contentment. Through mindful consumption, we connect with the essence of cardamom and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the simple joys of life. In essence, cardamom pods serve as a reminder of the beauty and richness that can be found in simplicity. By incorporating them into our tea and embracing mindfulness in our approach to health, we nourish both body and soul, finding harmony and contentment in the present moment. At the heart of turmeric's healing power is curcumin, its active compound renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help combat chronic inflammation, a common factor in various health conditions, and protect against oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. By incorporating turmeric into our daily rituals, such as in tea, we invite the transformative benefits of curcumin into our lives. Moreover, turmeric's role in supporting overall health and well-being extends beyond its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant